A clean, prosperous future for our precious planet. As the world changes, we move forward with purpose to redefine the future of mobility. At the core of electric vehicles lies the driving force behind this transformation: the battery. Toyota and Panasonic joined forces in 2020, combining decades of expertise in cars and batteries. Together they created Prime Planet Energy and Solutions, PPES, to take on these new challenges in energy and mobility. As the global leader in automotive batteries, our commitment is to deliver superior performance, safety, and reliability through constant innovation. At the same time, we work to reduce environmental impact throughout the product lifecycle and build a business that thrives in harmony with nature and society. Providing a wide range of products and solutions for makers of traditional hybrids, plug-in hybrids, and battery EVs worldwide, we are helping accelerate the shift to electric mobility. Our advanced technology and mass production expertise come together to deliver exceptional products. With the power of batteries, we can achieve so much more, bringing mobility to life and creating solutions that enrich our planet and society. Driving the new heartbeat of mobility. Prime Planet Energy and Solutions.